Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss class 4, chapter number 1, the face and climate of our country. Let's go reading and explain this paragraph. India is a big and beautiful country, something like a kite. It is broad in the middle and narrow at the top and bottom. We all know that India is a beautiful country. Do you know why it compared with a kite? Because if you see in these positions, it's look like a kite. Therefore, it compared with a kite. In the top positions of India and bottom positions of India, the distance is very low. Therefore, it's called narrow area. In the top and bottom, in both area are called narrow. Already mentioned in here the word narrow. Okay, so you don't confuse. Again, in the middle part of this area, it's called broad. Do you know why? Because you can see in here the distance is very high in these positions. The state of Jammu and Kashmir is placed like a crown on Mother India's head, because you can see in this map, Jammu and Kashmir is situated in the top of the map. Therefore, it compared with a crown. Okay, clear? So again come next line. The southern end has the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean at the bottom. So, if you see in the southern part of India, then you can see the two sea. One is Bay of Bengal and other is Arabian Sea. So, Arabian Sea is situated in the western part of India. Again, Bay of Bengal is situated in the eastern part of India. In the bottom, which ocean situated? Which ocean is situated in the bottom of India? Definitely, answer is Indian Ocean is situated in the bottom part of India. So in here, you can see Kanyakumari. It covered the part of Kanyakumari in these positions. Kanyakumari, you can see here also, Kanyakumari marks the southern and most tips of the mainland. In here not mentioned, but you can find out the exact positions. So this is a part of Kanyakumari. Clear? So come next paragraph. From north to south, the boundaries of country extend to 3,240 kilometers. From north to south, we all know that this part is north, this part is east, west and south. So from north to south, it covered 3,214 kilometers. Again, from east to west, it covered 2,933 kilometers. The island of Andaman and Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea are part of India. So, Lakshadweep is a part of Arabian Sea, Andaman Nicobar Island is a part of Bay of Bengal. So, these two islands is very important because it's covered with two sea in different location. Lakshadweep is covered with Arabian Sea and Andaman Nicobar Island is covered with Bay of Bengal. So, in these two islands, you should be very clear actually which sea it's covered. Clear? So, some neighboring countries situated around India like Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar. So, you can see in here Myanmar, Bangladesh, this part. So this is the general explanations of this paragraph. So this much for today class. Tomorrow we will discuss the next topic. Thank you.